could a simple no lead to someone completely losing their mind? I work at a trampoline park, and one day, a woman walked in asking about renting out the entire park for a birthday party. We do private rentals, so I told her the price. She just stared at me, like I had just scammed her out of her life savings. Excuse me? I blinked. Is something wrong? That's when she said it. And that is the worst scam I've ever seen. Oh, okay. I explained that renting out the entire park means we lose a ton of customers for that day. So yeah, it's gonna cost more. But she just shook her head. My son is more important than that. Oh, of course. My bad. Let me just shut down the entire business so little Timmy can have the best birthday ever. Then she hit me with the dumbest offer I've ever seen. She pulled out a crumpled $100 bill, slapped it on the counter, and said even that was too much for what she wanted. I actually laughed, like full-on wheezing. I picked up the $100, handed it back to her like I was donating to charity, and told her we weren't doing that. She stormed out. Thought that was the end of it. Nope. 15 minutes later, she came back with her husband, and this dude looked ready for war. He stomped up to the counter, fuming. Did you seriously speak to my wife like that? Oh, here we go. I sighed, explained exactly what happened, and waited. And as I was talking, I watched the realization hit him. His face went from rage to confusion to absolute defeat. He turned to his wife. Wait, that actually makes sense. She lost it. She started going off on him. You're supposed to be on my side. Now they're arguing with each other in the middle of the trampoline park. And I just stood there, arms crossed, watching her redirect the full force of her rage onto her own husband. They left, and I guarantee she's more mad at him than she ever was at me.